Hello, my name is AK James.
Hi, this is Sehgal.
Hi, I'm Ashish Matthew.
Hi, this is Tharun. To grow the market share in alternate accommodation, we first started looking at MMT's and Booking.com's reports. We found the group travel was a power user, followed by family and then solo travelers. We spoke to around 3 users in each category. In the process, we found an interesting pattern. All these users had few common needs. In the awareness phase, they didn't associate MMT with alternative accommodation. In the consideration phase, they were worried about the reliability. It's not a hotel, right? So how do I believe if all the amenities are there or even if the photos are real? Then we spoke to a few hosts in Himachal and Goa. Majority of the hosts run a single accommodation. They do everything from sales to service. There are no channel managers. In the awareness phase, they didn't associate MMT with alternative accommodation. In the consideration phase, they felt MMT just connects them with users and doesn't add any other value. So they stick to WhatsApp to get clients. In the payment phase, hosts see MMT as an overhead cost. Based on these info, we made 5 hypotheses, 12 solutions with 2 MVPs. Of course, we prioritized them and did a cost analysis for each of it. Now, let's build solutions for user trust to reduce churn rate. Problem 1. Users have unique needs in alternative accommodation. So they have to apply approximately 7 plus filters, and which leads to cognitive overload. Then they skim through every listing to check for user reviews to verify the amenities, and this is time consuming. Hypothesis 1. Hyper-personalization in the discovery phase will lead to improved user experience. And our solution is AI-powered magic search that will give hyper-personalization in listing. Essentially, AI sends cues to users so that they can tell their needs completely and they don't have to use filters. The listing page clearly shows how many features are relevant to the user based on the user reviews. You can clearly see the front end and the back end of this MVP. Users could find relevant listing at 50% faster time using magic search without having to move across pages. In fact, 76% of customers are more likely to buy products that are personalized. 70% of consumers expect and trust AI itinerary. Unmet user need 2. Users have trust deficit. They are worried if the amenities and photos are real. And our hypothesis is a 360-degree view of the accommodation, or at least a video tour will improve trust about how accommodation looks. And more legible and relevant UI would also help in improving trust about the amenities. Our solution, 360 virtual tour. We use Kula software and a mobile app to create this without incurring any costs, and we expect hosts can also easily pick it up. As you can see, users can click on amenities to know more about the features and move around the rooms. Now, hyper-personalization of amenities. Users have to usually skim through a list of amenities to understand issues, as you can see here. Instead, the new UI can suggest amenities that exactly suit user needs, which is a suggested one. Impact. 360-degree video reduces trust deficit and also improves WTP of consumers because of its immersive experience. We will now build more value for hosts so they don't nudge users to go off platform. Unmet host need 3. Users chat with hosts for custom information like how is the temperature and also bargain. But hosts are busy managing the property, so they reply in like 20 hours. Our hypothesis, faster responses from hosts and a custom pricing option based on the negotiated price will lead to less user churn rate. Our solutions, custom FAQ session. Use historical data of the questions asked to a host and show it as a custom FAQ inside the chat. So the user gets instant answer. Enable hosts to take payments on the negotiated price via MMT only. Provide hosts with custom pricing option using MMT's existing special audience discount so they can take payment via MMT on the negotiated price. Essentially, 30% of the customers say faster responses to queries make them buy products. Unmet user need 4. Hosts don't use MMT's features because they don't understand it because of information overload. And hence they see commission as an overhead cost. Our hypothesis, a champion host program. Existing hosts can refer other hosts and get a commission when the new host onboards successfully. In this process, new hosts get to learn about all the features on MMT and super hosts also gain a new source of income. Give hosts access to high paying customers using MMT Black. Current MMT Black program targets customers with large wallets who usually use hotels and flights. But an average Indian Indian family spends only 10,000 rupees per trip. Make a silver loyalty tier for this underserved market and recommend alternative accommodation to them, which also suits their budget. This is a win-win situation, as the average family is looking for affordable stays, and hosts also get more clients because of these recommendations. Provide more actionable insights. Use AI to recommend a preview image and amenities, because hosts currently are choosing bad preview images that are leading to low CTR. An example, look at Lakshmi Villas in Kolkata. They have actually better images inside the listing. So how do we increase awareness about MMT's alternate accommodation? MMT can partner with production houses to show MMT's homestays in movies. You can see some examples here. Essentially, 39% of customers plan their travel based on inspiration from movies. This marketing campaign also helps hosts. MMT can now launch a contest for hosts where winner gets a premium for featuring their homestay in the movie. New hosts will also sign up to MMT to participate in this contest. We can also use influencer marketing, as you can see here. We prioritize the 12 features based on impact and effort. We also did a cost analysis of the AI magic search and virtual tour. Thank you. 6